If you're trying to find your Spotify Wrapped 2025 and it's not showing up, you're in the right place. I'm going to break down every step so you can see it right here without any confusion. Let's go ahead and get started. What you're going to want to do first is update your Spotify app. You got to open the App Store or Play Store, look for Spotify, and tap Update. This is adequate because Wrapped won't show unless you're on the newest version. Next, open Spotify and head to the Home tab. Over here, you should probably see a big card that says Your 2025 Wrapped. If it's not visible, don't worry. We're going to go after more ways to get it. Now, you can go ahead and use the search trick. Tap Search, type Wrapped, and you should see the Wrapped 2025 option appear. Tap it, and you're instantly inside your stats. This is a bright, smart way to access it even if the banner doesn't show. Another method is going to your library. Scroll a bit and look for a section called 2025 Wrapped. This usually contains your top songs playlist and all the playback cards, so make sure to check this area too. If it still doesn't show, you can call on the classic refresh method. Close the Spotify app completely, wait a bit, then open it again. Sometimes the Wrapped card needs a restart to make out properly. Now, you can also link up using the web browser. Go ahead and type spotify.com/wrapped. It will redirect you into the Spotify app and open Wrapped directly. This is a cheap and easy shortcut that works ahead of the app refresh. If it still refuses to show, log out and log back in. Go to Settings, scroll, tap Log Out, then sign back in. This helps the account sync and bring in the Wrapped card for your user profile. Another important thing, turn off any VPN. Wrapped might not load if Spotify thinks your region is different, so make sure VPN is off before checking again. Anyways, that's how you find Spotify Wrapped 2025 fast and easy. If you have any other questions, you can ask below, and I'll help you out right here.